So today I got here is a 4K UHD webcam. Alright, so this is what the camera looks like in front of the box. It says 4K UHD, WDR technology, video conference, and it has a 360 rotation, a plug in and play, and dual microphone. Okay, so, and then on the side here, it says, 38, 40, 2160, and then 30 frames per second. So that's pretty cool, and it's a 4K HD webcam. Alright, so I'm going to open this up today. I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. We'll quickly do that now. Alright, so this is pretty cool. So it does come with some stickers, and this here too, some kind of user guide. Okay, and then it looks like some kind of manual. Yep, install manual, so that's pretty cool. And then here's your actual webcam. It's coming right out of the box. Alright, and then inside here, looks like some kind of tripod that comes with it too, so that's pretty cool. So, yep, that's nice. Nice little tripod. And you got one more item down here at the bottom. It looks like a webcam cover, so that way you can cover it when you're not using it. So that's pretty cool too. Alright, so I'm going to take this thing out and show you what it looks like. So yeah, this is the webcam that looks like. It's pretty nice. It's a nice standard at the bottom too. That's where you plug it in to your tripod and everything. And then so this thing comes apart too, so you can put it back of your PC monitor. And this thing also rotates, so that's pretty neat too. Alright, so anyways, that's it today about this item for this 4K webcam. And I want to say thanks for watching.